Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we will see how to use some table from the PRC design aid or formula sheet prepared by Dr. Zaid Ahmad Siddiqui. So this is the first table which is given on PRC design aid or formula sheet. This table helps us to choose the nominal area of the various sizes of rebar. You can see that in the first column we have 6, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22 and so on. These are basically the bar numbers. 6 meaning to that 6 millimeter bar, 10 meaning to that 10 millimeter bar, 13 meaning to that 13 millimeter bar. Corresponding to these diameter of the bars, we have nominal area. For example, the nominal area of number 6 bar is 32. The nominal area of number 10 bar is basically 71 millimeter square. Similarly, the nominal area of number 25 bar, this is number 25, meaning to that diameter of that bar is around 25 millimeter and nominal area is 510 millimeter square. So this table we will use in order to decide the nominal area of various bars. Let's say I say 2 number 13 bars. If I say 2 number of 13 bar, meaning to that if we want to calculate nominal area, it will be 2 times 129. If I say 3 number 32 bar, 3 number 32 bars and we want to calculate the nominal area, it will be 3 multiplied by 819. So this is basically again the number of formulas which are given in the formula sheet for design of PRC. Again in this slide you can see that there are a number of formulas. These formulas are given in the design manual of PRC. In this particular slides, I just show you some pictures from the formula sheet of design aid or formula sheet of PRC1. Thanks.